right.
You want to know what God is going to do? When God gives us a theme, He is simply summarizing what He's going to be doing throughout the year. There is a kind of a manifestation of God that we are going to witness this coming year. I don't want you to observe the wind. I don't want you to observe the clouds. I don't want you to go by the economic climate, because that is never going to determine the move of God in your life. You are going to experience the hand of God in a very strange way. It is the year of excellence.
Oh my God. One more time, let us thank God for such a wonderful theme that He has given to us for this year, 2020.